is a dreamer who never gives up. It's winning time now. Proud Nuggets of Frontline have assembled in an array to receive the much awaited prize.
We call upon our director, Mr. Shakti Nandan, our joint secretary, Mrs. Vaishnavi Nandan, to give away the prizes.
Rishikesh Gokul has been a frontliner for the past 12 years. He was proved his mettle in sports as well as academics. A soft-spoken, intelligent boy, he is noted for his kindness and helpful nature. He has secured 91%, adding a feather to our hats. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Give him a big round of applause. Thank you, Rishikesh. I'm happy to announce that our school was given the School Excellence Award by Brainfeed magazine for our efforts and innovative approach in grooming the young learners with skills for life. We have also been nominated among the top 500 schools in India for enriching the standards in imparting excellence in education to the Gen Next learners. These awards were received by our director, Mr. Shakti Nandan, and Joint Secretary, Mrs. Vaishnavi Nandan, on 5th December 2019 in Hyderabad. We at FMS are delighted to receive these awards and will always try to achieve more such awards by constantly marching towards excellence and perfection. Brainfeed is a premier and a pioneer magazine which provides latest information on academic issues and innovative technology-based teaching and latest developments in the present educational scenario with focus on the 3 to 16 age group. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Children to be experts in all the fields they choose. Here, we have assembled the experts in academics.
We invite our principal, Mr. Doraraj, to give the awards.
Now, I call upon Evangeline S.
Please give her a big round of applause.
Session A. Siddharth A.R. Mitra Shri P. Ashmika A.V. Varnika V. Selvarudanya S. Balamurugan. Ashwin K. Sri Raksha.
Encourage these kids with a big round of applause.
Harsavardhini. Sarath. Bevina R. Darun S. Ajita Lakshmi. Jishnu.
Mahashiva Harish. Tarunika. Nalin. Chandralekha. Dharani Shweta. Thank you all. All the best to everyone. Keep going, guys. And thank you, sir. Reading maketh a man. Ordinary people have big TVs. Extraordinary people have big libraries. Our school excels not only in academics but also initiates the habit of reading. Here we have a readathon champions.
We call upon our Frontline Academy Principal, Mr. Vasant Raj, to give the awards. Shiva Shanmita M. Please let us hear a thunder of applause as they receive the awards. Aragan GM. Aragon. Evangeline S. Samyukta Shri.
Please let us hear a thunder of applause as they receive the awards.
Neha. Purnavi, Mayuka M, Mayuka M, Nitvika KN,
Everybody encourage them with your applause.
Sudiksha JB, Hamsavardhini,
Thank you, sir. Now we'd like to call upon our director, Mr. Shakti Nandan, and Joint Secretary, Mrs. Vaishnavi Nandan, to distribute the prizes.
Sarat S,
Please encourage these young achievers.
Kritika K, Tanish KS, Sanjay Selvam, Nandana S. Nair,
Arudra Jayashree, Tarunika L, Arudra Jayashree, Tarunika L, Tarun Vallavan KS, Purnima R. Vyas, Charumati S, Aishwarya S, Tarni Shweta GP, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call upon our principal, Mr. Doriraj, to appreciate the winners.
Now, we would like to appreciate students who have won in the Science Olympiad. I call upon everyone onto the stage. Ritvik of 3rd grade has won a gold medal. Pugal of grade 4 has won a bronze medal. Shriya Nair of grade 4 has won a silver medal. Sanjay K of grade 4 has won a gold medal and has also been qualified for the next level. Hasini Or of grade 5 has won a gold medal. Sendamanian of grade 6 has won a silver medal. Hamsavardhini of grade 6 has also won a gold medal and has been qualified for the second level. Ojashvi of grade 6 has won a bronze medal and Ponharita of grade 7 has won a gold medal. Please appreciate these students. Once we get the medals, we will give it to them.
Thank you, children, and thank you, sir.
We are delighted to welcome our old students of Frontline Millennium. Now I invite our director, Mr. Shaktinandan, and our joint secretary, Mrs. Vaishnavi Nandan, to the dais.
Next, I call upon Samriddhi to receive the Best Outgoing Student Award for the year 2018-19.
Samriddhi is a calm and composed girl, good at sports and academics as well.
I request you to put your hands together and give her a cheerful applause.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
A sound mind in a sound body. Physical activity is required to bring mental stability.
We at Frontline have a gymnasium of players who have proved their mettle in various events at the Sahodaya meet.
Now we call upon our correspondent, Dr. Sivasamy, to award the achievers.
Shashrik T of grade 4 has secured first place in the state level yoga championship and in the district yogasana championship. Congratulations.
Tarun Aditya of grade 4. He has secured individual championship in the kids athletic meet.
Priyadarshan of grade 6 has secured second place in the TSSC skating competition and also a second place in the Sahodaya athletic meet.
Netra Shri of grade 7. She has secured first place in the 25-meter freestyle, breaststroke and butterfly at the district level swimming championship.
Shanmugam of grade 9 has bagged individual championship in the TSSC annual athletic meet and he is also a yoga champion.
Kirtika of grade 11. She has secured individual championship in the athletic meet.
Here we have Pranav of grade 12. He has bagged first place in the TSSC annual athletic meet, and he has also secured 4th place at the CBSE cluster athletic meet. Please encourage the students.
We would like to appreciate all our PT teachers for their efforts in helping students to reach greater heights. Sir, we request you to stay back on the stage, and I would like to call upon our secretary, Dr. Sivahami, to join sir to give the awards.
We would like to call upon our PT teacher, Mr. Nandakumar, to the dais. I would also like to congratulate Mrs. Rajalakshmi. I would also like to appreciate Madasami sir and Kasturi ma'am. Remember to celebrate milestones as you prepare for the road ahead.
Keeping this in mind, we at Frontline take this as an opportunity to appreciate teachers of this institution who have worked tirelessly for 5 years.
We would like to call Mrs. Sani. She has worked tirelessly in this institution by molding frontliners into better citizens of the future. She plays her part by giving the finishing touch to all the students of the school.
Give her a big round of applause. I would like to call upon Mrs. Baby. She has worked hard to improve the reading habits of the children and has played a major role in creating most of the reading champions.
Congratulations, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Mrs. Shobna. She has worked with enthusiasm and has helped students in all ways possible. She is well known among the students for her cheerful nature. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.